Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Sagittarians for the first 15 days of February. Okay. So we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, okay, the Two of Wands, Ace of Wands, the High Priestess, the Moon, Eight of Cups, the King of Cups, the Hangman, the Seven of Swords, the Seven of Cups, the Knight of Wands, one point. Okay, so Sagittarians, the Knight of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. What I feel is that you are moving towards a person, you are ready to offer a stable commitment or some sort of stability to someone. And with the Three of Pentacles, I think this is what you are discussing with your family or friends, because what I am getting here is this is the urge or just the desire to move forward in a direction, but I really don't think that you are moving very fast in that direction, or you even started moving in that direction. But yes, you do have something or someone on your mind and you want to move towards them, you want to offer your commitment to them or stability to them. Okay, and with the Three of Pentacles, what I feel is before doing that, you are trying to or wanting to discuss it or taking opinion of your near and dear ones. And here with the Six of Pentacles, what I feel is you want to balance, you want to bring balance to something, and that is what you are discussing over here. Okay, so you want to bring balance to a situation in some way, shape or form. And that is what you are trying to discuss over here. That's what I feel. Okay. You're just trying to bring balance over here. Okay. But with the Two of Wands, the Ace of Wands, and the High Priestess, what I feel here is this is something which now you are ready to do. It's like as if you've done this, I've done this job, I've done this, achieved this, and now I'm ready for my next move or a next venture type of a thing. With the Two of Wands, I really feel that this is something, some issue of your life which you have settled and balanced before you need to go or leave the place or move towards the next direction. It's something like that, as if you've settled some score over here, perhaps at your, it's like as if you have settled whatever was needed to be settled at your home front before you embark on your journey, or you needed to solve a situation or settle a situation over here, whatever the situation is, before moving to the next one. It's something like that over here. Okay, so you have actually made this aspect of your life or this sphere of your life stable before you are able to move towards your next venture. Again, I know I'm repeating, but the thing is, it's something like, suppose if you have to go out for a few days or for a week or so or something like that, or you have to leave your house for a job at some other place, it's something like that, and you just stabilize your home front. Okay, you provide everything there. Okay, this is the stock for, it's something like that as far as that type of an aspect is concerned. Or if it is a relationship aspect also, then that also you are settling, you are definitely settling something and stabilizing it before you are embarking on something different. And this seems to be totally different or something new to me. With the Two of Wands, you are ready to make a move, moving outside actually, perhaps, And with the Ace of Wands, you are going for a new beginning. So after settling this, you are ready for a new beginning. You are moving out for a new beginning, and this is what you are even getting or achieving. And with the High Priestess, what I feel is things are definitely not very clear to you, because here we have the Moon card. So things are really not very clear as to how will you move, how will you achieve it. But yes, you are using your intuition with the High Priestess and the Moon card being there. You are using your intuition in this new journey, whatever this new journey is for you, in whichever direction you are trying to move. This is definitely achieved by using a lot of intuition. See, one more storyline I'm getting here is that with the Three of Pentacles and the Moon card being there, it can be a love triangle for those of you who are in a relationship. It can be that maybe with the Six of Pentacles, somebody is trying to balance both in some way. I'm getting that juggling type of an energy over here. Maybe somebody is trying to balance two relationships or something like that, because somebody is, after settling this aspect, somebody is ready to for a new beginning somewhere else. As I said, using a lot of intuition, definitely. But with the Moon card and with the Eight of Cups, just see, and the King of Cups, what I feel is this person is leaving behind this thing again. See, what I feel here is somebody is moving away, though the things are not very clear. Intuition is there, yes, but what I feel it is there is something, some sort of a love triangle definitely here. And with the Eight of Cups, somebody is moving away from this situation. See, somebody is moving away from this situation. That's what I feel. After settling this, they are ready for a new journey. Things are not very clear and they're leaving this behind with the Eight of Cups. That's what I feel towards this King of Cups, towards someone else. Okay, that is what I feel. Somebody is moving after stabilizing this. They are totally moving out of this, leaving this situation behind towards the King of Cups. And with the Hangman, what I feel here is the situation here is stuck. And this seems to be the energy of the previous, I don't know what is, this haphazard type of a thing is there. Because with the Seven of Swords, see, this, with somebody is walking away from a relationship which has been emotionally fulfilling but is not serving to them anymore. They don't find any emotional fulfillment in this situation now. They're walking away from it, and either they are becoming the King of Cups or they're moving towards somebody who is the King of Cups for them. Okay, but the situation here with the Hangman is, this is stagnation. This is definitely stagnation. And here we have the Seven of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and the King, Knight of Wands. Yes, somebody has multiple options. Somebody is cheating as being sneaky, and with the Knight of Wands, somebody is definitely in and out of the relationship. So now, what I feel here is the entirety. To summarize it, what I feel here is that this person is trying to be in two relationships, settling the scores over here, and then moving towards a new one. Okay, for which they have a lot of passion for. They are in and out here with the Knight of Wands into this relationship and into the other one. And because of this Hangman, it is this is going on since a long time. With the Seven of Swords, or this sneaky energy, or this juggling is going on, or this cheating is going on since a long time. Somebody is in and out of the relationship again and again. They go and they come in, they go and they come in. Maybe this person is very, very emotionally mature. They really don't have that much of emotion. They have a lot of emotional control. Okay, and this is happening since a long time. That's what I feel. This cheating is going on since a long time. Let's see what's the message from this deck. The death and rebirth, the four of spades. So definitely this is a relationship which, as I said, somebody is walking away from this relationship and is moving towards these multiple options, and they are totally in and out. That is their behavior. This is the behavior of this person. They are in and out of the relationship. They have multiple options. They are cheating. So this stagnation is coming in the previous relationship, which they have quitted actually, and they are ready to move. So this is something is definitely ending, and something new is beginning in, I think, both the lives. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Two of action. Trust in your ability to make choices. There's opportunity all around you if you just continue to move forward. It may be the time to take a new partner who can help you to be success in your career or creative endeavors. Keep your eyes on the big picture rather than the details of the moment. I think this is the guidance coming for the person previously, that okay, maybe if this person is not being sincere to you, maybe this person is just juggling you. You just need to end this relationship and move towards somebody who is going to give you emotional contentment and satisfaction. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.